Hello everyone, your Excel Wizard here today going over the weekday function, all one word spelled weekday. So as always, we're going to go up to our function arguments box and explain what we're looking at. So the weekday function just returns a number from 1 to 7, identifying the day of the week of a date. So you put in a date, you put in the day of a week and it gives you a number 1 through 7. And so you only have two arguments for this one, the serial number and the return type. The serial number, don't get scared by that. That just means the date. So for example, if I just choose this box right here, cell A1, it'll give me a serial number, but again, it's just the date. Don't worry about it. And then you got to specify what return type you want. I'll go over that a little bit in a second, but just this return type right now of return type 1 being a number for Sunday 1 through Saturday 7. So Sundays 1, Mondays 2, yada, 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 so on and so forth. So I hit OK, and I happen to know that the first of this year was a Wednesday. So if Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, Wednesday is 4. So we can verify that this is correct. So then going over here where you have, kind of a more useful use of this function is to use it on a large sum of data or a large set of data. So over here, I'm just going to choose, again, weekday A1. But as you'll see, this return type, once I hit comma to do my return type, it pops up with all the return types here. So I know that the fact that January 1st was a Wednesday won't change, but we can change what number it gives us based on our return type. So maybe we don't want to come up with 4 as Wednesday. Maybe we wanted to come up with, I think this will give us 3. It gives us nothing. Sorry. The return type, being 2 here, it'll give us 3. Like I was saying, I just didn't put in a number. But going down, it would go, since this 3 would be Wednesday, January 1st is a Wednesday, January 2nd was a Thursday, which is why we get a 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, so on and so forth. If we go back and change this to the return type that we did have in the original example, which was return type 1, and we hit check here and bring this all the way down, it, keeps and refreshes just like we had it like normal, because it's still Wednesday, this is still Thursday, this is still Friday. It's just the numbers change from 4, 5, 6 to 3, 4, 5. So that's all there is to the weekday function. Use this kind of however you like. It is a pretty niche function, but can be helpful when you have large data sets like this and you need to return a number form. So as always, thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about any beginner, intermediate, or Excel functions, I've got series on all of those. So please go watch those if interested. And again, thank you for watching.